At makakasama po natin ngayong araw ang CEO ng Spark PH, International Coaching Federation, at siya po ay isang professional certified coach para po pag-usapan ang mental decluttering, kumbaga bagong pananaw ba? Improved na pananaw pagdating po sa productivity. Hi, hello, and good morning, Coach Vion Dizon. Hello, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Nina. Migs, thank you.
Maan po. Mahalili lang.
Migs and Maan. Okay, Sir Vion, alright.
Yes.
Okay, so pagdating ngayon sa 2026, ano po ang usual ng mga nakukuha? Ng mga, ng mga consultation, ng mga tanong pagdating to approach the new year?
Ako, madami yan. So it's really how to start the year.
Start
right.
the year right or
yes.
wrong?
Correct. So it's really that. Achieving goals and everything, asking me where to take their life. But kami as a coach, I always tell them, ang kaming coaching, we don't really tell you, we don't give you advice directly. Our belief is, you know where you want to take your life. And lahat naman tayo, may dreams, may pangarap, di ba? Our task is to help you lang get there, from where you are now and where you want to go.
Lapit ka sa mic, sir,
Alright,
ng konti.
sorry.
Alright.
There you
From where you are and where you want to go. Usually ba, ang mga Pilipino, nasaan ba tayo pagdating dito?
Kasi-
sa pinansyal?
Una
Oo.
kasi ang mga Pinoy, hindi lahat yung parang yung magko-consult sa shrink, di ba? Hindi tayo ganun eh.
Yes.
Or will ask for any type of help?
Oo, kasi
Oo.
marami tayong makaibigan tayo.
Correct,
Una,
correct.
yung mga kaibigan mo na ang tinatanong. Hindi rin, at ngayon, may coach pa. Life coach ka pang kukunin. May financial ka din. Coach na kukunin. Yun nga, ang mga Pinoy ba? Ngayon ba ay ganun na sila?
Yes, you'll be surprised. So, well, we're thankful also kasi yun nga, sometimes may stigma when you talk to a counselor or, di ba? Although I'll say different kasi yung service nila. It's more of healing the past, di ba? It's more of trauma or whatnot. And there are those who need it, and di ba? That's okay. But if you want now to take your life further, where you are now and where you want to go, more of achieving goals, that's where us coaches come in.
Pero sasabihin din sa'yo,
Yeah.
more or less, ang mga problems. Ganun
Yes.
din eh.
Yes.
Dahil kailangan nga ma-address itong mga to eh.
Correct. Before they move forward and move on.
Yes.
Correct.
Oo, so ganun
Correct,
din.
Ma'am Nina.
Parang nagsasabi rin sa'yo ng kanilang mga sikreto,
Oh,
ng
yes.
kanilang gusto talagang makuha,
Yes.
ganyan.
Yes,
So
yes,
ganun
yes.
din.
Yes, they do. Yeah, that's what I do every day. People tell me what they go through
Oo.
every day.
Okay, so pagdating at least sa ating general audience, common na pananaw ng mga pinagdadaanan natin mga Pilipino at paano natin ito i-address? Paano natin siya ititake sa kabila?
Yeah, so karamihan talaga dyan is stress, anxiety, sa pang-araw-araw. Traffic lang di ba?
Yes.
Dagdag yan. Although today, hindi pa, no? But sa Monday, good luck sa ating lahat.
Kasi mag-aalmusal ka ng stress.
That's
at
right.
dinner matutulog ka ng stress.
Correct.
Correct.
And it's the yung gigising ka ng maaga, 'di ba? Marami kang gagawin. Tapos yung utak mo punong-puno na, okay, ito yung kailangan kong gawin sa office or sa trabaho. Tapos lalakbay ka pa, traffic, everything. So kaya kanina na-mention nyo nga yung mental decluttering, 'di ba? Importante siya, no? So me, what I do is at the start of the day, ito basic tip. Dati, sabi ko, bakit ba pagkagising ko laging cellphone ko agad ang binubuksan ko?
Yes.
Simple lang, kasi yun yung alarm ko.
Yes.
So, napalitan ko siya. Sabi ko, okay, bumili ako ng napakasimple. Online lang. Bawal magsabing brand. But,
Oo. Online.
I bought it online. Ng simpleng alarm clock. Less than 500 pesos. Sabi ko, yan na lang yung alarm clock ko. Para yung cellphone ko, charge ko sa malayong lugar. Hindi yun yung una kong makikita diba, in the morning. So, I can, and walang papasok agad sa isip ko na, nag-text na yung boss ko, late na ako, Right?
At minsan, tuloy-tuloy ka na.
Correct.
Yun na yun.
Pagtingin mo lang ng Facebook mo, tuloy-tuloy na hanggang sa mamalayan mo, ay, late na ako.
Correct.
na.
And yung word is na-consume ka na nun pagkagising mo sa umaga, di ba? So ayaw natin yun. Gusto natin na pagising na sa umaga. Okay, nakita mo yung oras, nag-alarm ka, but control mo agad. Okay, I can stop first, I can pray, I can breathe first, di ba?
Or stretch.
Correct,
Oo.
correct. Para hindi ka muna nakakita ng kung anong notification na umaandar na agad yung isip mo, racing na agad, di ba? Yun.
So, anong effect nun? At least sa'yo, personal experience, nung nag-shift ka ng ganong klaseng practice?
Mas kalmado at mas may control ako. Mas alam ko na okay, pag hinawa ko na tong phone ko, I can start my day. Diba? Pero I owned the first sometimes even first hour of the day. Me, my routine is I wake up in the morning, alarm clock, and then I'll just breathe. I have a prayer. And then I meditate first. Ayun yung meditation, yan yung iba find it weird, no? But it's really clearing your mind. Pero ito yung tip eh. It's not really the morning, but it's the evening.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes, kasi pag natulog ka ng, kunyari, di ba, anong huling ginagawa natin? Cellphone.
Yes, hanggang sa inanto kayo.
Oh, wala na.
Diba?
Oh.
Nadadala mo yun. Pagkagising mo, yun yung unang, kasi yun yung huling nakita mo eh. Di ba?
Correct.
So, before you sleep, clear na your mind. And then you'll wake up mas light. No? Try it out, no? And then you can start your day. Again, if your phone is away from you, mas maganda. And then yun, mas may sense of control ka, and I'd say ownership of your day, starting it that way.